Thabo Cele is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs. I am absolutely fuming. I am absolutely livid. What is going on? We want to let go of one of our best players. Yes, Cele didn't have a great season last season. He was inconsistent, was struggling with injuries, but he is a brilliant player. We're talking about a player that we signed in January when this team was absolutely shambles, and he was our best player. Oh, who's part of the future plans? Sibongiseni Mthethwa. Here we are letting go of Thabo Cele and we are keeping Sibongiseni Mthethwa. It's an absolute joke. It's an absolute disgrace. This means we'll be only left with Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Lewang Mabo, and Spesihle Ndlovu in that 6/8 position. Only three players. We only have three midfielders. We are letting go of one of our best midfielders. It's an absolute joke. Fuck off.